the EverWorker workforce and worker catalog. So if you've been watching my other videos on the EverWorker AI platform, you've gotten a deep dive into how to experience the platform as someone that builds and creates AI workers and AI capabilities. However, the reality is that the majority of your organization just aren't interested or aren't ever going to become AI builders. And for those people, you need to have a intuitive and easy interface for them to leverage, use, and interact with their AI worker. So that's what you're looking at here is our EverWorker user view. And to accelerate your AI transformation, what we do is for our builders, we create worker catalog templates. So take, for example, the SDR AI worker architecture I was walking you through in another video. Every time we build an AI capability or AI worker, either for ourselves internally, the workers my team builds, the other teams like our CFO and the finance team, the sales team build, or our services team builds for our customers, we go ahead and take that agent architecture pattern and turn it into an AI worker template. And why did we do this? Well, the chances are if you're looking at AI workers seriously, the reason is that you already don't have time. You're already under pressure. You already don't have enough capacity. Learning how to create AI agents, even in a platform that makes it easy as ours, is something you just don't have time for. And that's why we built these catalog templates. So we've already done the hard work of figuring out what works function by function. We know the architecture, we know what to feed the workers, and we know what drives results. So why make every customer start from scratch? That's how the solutions catalog was born. So what's inside the platform right now? You'll find a growing library of pre-built AI worker and workflow architectures organized by business function: sales, finance, support, operations, marketing, HR. Each solution comes with a short video walking you through what it does, a build guide, and a clear description of the outcomes it's designed to deliver. From there, you have two options. You can customize it yourself if you want. Templates do most of the heavy lifting, or you just click a button to talk to our services team and we'll do it for you. Either way, you're not starting with zero. So what does an AI worker look like when you give it to one of your users? Well, this is what it looks like to interact with the SDR outreach worker. So you can chat with it, you can schedule it, you can integrate it with your Slack and invoke it from there. And as it executes, it'll tell you how many people it's contacted, the results you're getting, and analytics and visibility right there and then. Simple UI for people that want to benefit from the AI, but build it. Because that's the whole point, of course, of creating AI workers is to augment your existing team's capabilities so you can do more with more. Let's bring it all together. EverWorker, platform plus solutions plus services, and we engineer the entire thing around one commitment. From your first conversation with us to active AI workers running in your business, delivering real measurable results in 45 days. And we guarantee results by the end of your first quarter, and we iterate until they're delivered. That's not a best case scenario. That's our floor. We guarantee our customers will see ROI from your first EverWorker deployment. And whenever you're ready to go further, everything you need to scale is already in place: the platform, the solutions catalog, and our services team. So you never have to start from a blank page or from scratch. You're going to build on a foundation that's already delivering. So everything we've shown you today comes back to three things that we designed EverWorker to deliver more value than any other AI provider for. First is the fastest time to market: 45 days to active AI worker delivering business results in your system and your workflows. A solutions catalog so you're not building from scratch, and a services team that accelerates every single step. The highest ROI of any AI agent services provider or any AI agent platform provider. No seat-based licensing. No margin on token consumption. For example, you run your LLMs on your own private API endpoints: AWS Bedrock, Google Cloud, Azure, wherever you want, and getting set up on those is genuinely simple. Bedrock, for example, is about as involved as setting up an Amazon Prime account, something that we can walk you through over your lunch break, and the best scalability. So our solution grows with you. With each new worker, new workflow, and every new solution template, it's all built on the same foundation, one platform designed to make it cost efficient and easy and fast for you to scale your AI workflows in workforce. And everything is included, because when we say end to end, we mean it. Universal connector, knowledge engine, AI workers, AI workflows, workflow builder, our solutions catalog, the UI for users, governance, visibility, data privacy, SOC 2 compliance, ISO 27001 compliance, GDPR compliance, a bunch of other compliances that I'm forgetting about, but that you could review in our security system. And the whole thing is deployed privately however you like. Your own VPC, great, we support that. You don't want to do all that? We'll stand up a single tenant SaaS environment for you. You want to run fully on-prem? Great, you could do that as well. And there's nothing to bolt on, there's nothing missing, everything you need to become an AI-first sales organization, an AI-first marketing organization, an AI-first finance organization, or heck, an AI-first company all in one place. That's EverWorker.